Signs you should not be drinking coffee. Number 1, mataas ang stress levels mo for the day. It's best to limit your coffee intake to 1 regular cup only. Pag mataas kasi ang stress levels mo, ibig sabihin mataas ang hormone na cortisol. Pag uminom ka ng kape, lalo pa nitong pinapadami ang cortisol sa katawan. Ayaw natin sumobra ang cortisol kasi masisira ang sleep quality, magbibigay sanhi ito sa breakouts or acne, hormonal imbalance, and difficulty concentrating. Number 2, inaatake ka ng anxiety. Pag ramdam mong bumibilis ang pagtibok ng puso mo, pinagpapawisan ang mga kamay, at sobra ang kaba mo, huwag ka muna uminom ng kape dahil lalala ang sintomas mo. Number 3, meron kang GERD or acid reflux. If you really love coffee, reduce your intake to 1 to 2 cups a day only. And choose low-acid coffee tulad ng decaf, dark roast coffee, and cold brew coffee. Cold brewing can decrease the acidity of the coffee by 67%. But that's your body. Be aware and